So, my today's video is about the world's tallest statue located in Kevadia, Gujarat, built by Prime Minister Narendra Modi. So by now, have you guessed it? Yes, it's the famous Statue of Unity built in the memory of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. He was a freedom fighter. He fought for an independent India. The Statue of Unity is 182 meters long, breaking the record of the world. It took 57 months to build the Statue of Unity. Visiting the statue was a memorable experience for me. I travelled to Kevadia by train. It took 12 hours to reach there. We have to book slots beforehand to visit the statue. We booked a car for travel. There are bus facilities also available. As we go in, we can see the statue from outside. The most unique feature that makes it different from other statues is that there is a lift inside the statue which takes us to the hands of the statue in 45 seconds. The view from up is amazing. We can see the Sardar Sarovar Dam. The Statue of Unity is built on the banks of River Narmada. The River Narmada is also seen. Inside the statue, there is a museum on the ground floor which has a big library and has interesting books about the various freedom fighters. There is also a lot of information given about the various freedom fighters like Gandhiji, Subhash Chandra Bose and Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. There is also a movie hall in which it is shown that how the statue was built, its construction, its structure, how much time it took and its estimated budget. We can also go up to the feet of the statue. It is surprising to know that our whole body is just the nail of the feet of the statue. After we are done visiting the statue, there are many more places built along the statue for our entertainment. We can travel to those places either by the buses provided by the Statue of Unity tour or by our own vehicles. The first tourist attraction is the jungle safari. After we finish visiting the statue, we can come here. Here, there are many animals like the white tigers, cheetahs, lions, foxes, rhinoceros, hippopotamus, etc. There are many animals brought from other countries like giraffe, zebra, emu and ostrich. There is also a bird aviary where we can find birds which are found in India and some birds are brought from different countries. There is also a parrot who sits at the entrance to welcome all the guests. There are many birds like the macaw, white peacock and there is also a black swan which is said to be found in 1,000,000 of years. वही Next to the zoo, there is also a pet garden in which we can click pictures with the pets. The next place to visit is the Valley of Flowers. It has many different and colorful flowers. Next to the Valley of Flowers, there is a glow garden. I prefer to go at night as it glows beautifully. The things there look amazing. It is built so beautifully. After visiting the Valley of Flowers and Glow Garden, we can visit the next and the most unique tourist attraction, that is the laser show. We have to book tickets before 1 month to see the laser show. A glimpse of the laser show is shown here.
सागर अपरंपार ऋणी देश का नम्र नमन तुम स्वीकारो सरदार। पहले गोधरा फिर।
The next day, we can go to the cactus garden. It has many different types of cactuses. After visiting the fabulous cactus garden, we can go to the butterfly garden. It has many beautiful butterflies of different colors. The butterfly garden is a very amazing place to visit. I truly loved the butterflies there. After this, we can enjoy the marvelous dino trail. It has many different types of dinosaurs with sound effects. After this dangerous dino trail, the children's most awaited attraction is the Children Nutrition Park. It is basically meant for the children to understand the importance and impact of nutrition on our body in a very easy and attractive way. So basically, there is a train and 5 stations like Poshanpuram, Annapurna, etc. based on the different sources of nutrition. So the children have to sit on the train and get down on every station, play some fun games and go to the next station. There is also a 4D VR for children and it's amazing. There's also a fabulous tunnel in which the train takes us. We become speechless when we see it. Here's a glimpse of it. So, being with the kid so much time, even the adults need some entertainment, right? So here it is, a room of many VR games and normal games for the adults to play so that they don't get bored. After the sightseeing, we can also do riverfront cycling in the front of Narmada River. We have to book slots beforehand for this. It is indeed very fun. After that, we can go to see the Sardar Sarovar Dam. The lighting effects on the Sardar Sarovar Dam at night are fantastic. There are also many coconut trees with lighting effects on the road. The next day, we can also visit the Poicha Swaminarayan temple. My 3-day trip to the statue was absolutely amazing. It was fun here with my family. I look forward to visit this historical place once again. Thank you.